Yo, what's good, YouTube? Your boy back. I know it's been a minute, but that don't mean I ain't been trading. So this video, we gonna go over the last couple of trades that I've taken for a trade breakdown video. Let's get into it. First off, flick, light them if you got them, and if you got them, light them. All right. So let's get into this breakdown video. So right now we looking at Bitcoin, right? So we in some sales. I've been looking at it for a minute. Go ahead and break it down from basically the start. So let's go ahead and open up this trading journal. Let's get to it. So right here, just going to open this up. So this go ahead and be the basically the beginning when we first saw right here. We have our 2 candle patterns, gravestone doji plus a momentum candle. Broke away, came back, retested the all-time high and the resistance with the 2 candle pattern, the daily 2 instead of sell 2 candle pattern. Has some resistance right here. We did go ahead and get another daily sell 2 candle pattern here. Did go ahead and push away, got down to our daily low, late daily low of the range around 75K. And then we came all the way back up, creating some imbalances here. That's what the purple boxes stand for, the imbalances. And we did go ahead and take the all-time high, and we filled in our previous 4-hour and daily sell imbalance here, right? With this here, and then like I said, we did go ahead and take the high, giving us a body essentially, right? So we broke above, broke back in, break out, break back in, and then let's go ahead and go to our entry here. Boom. So as we can see within our entry, this was the candle that we were looking at here. We did go ahead and get a lot of extra price action with all of this here. It did go below our entry, which we didn't take this trade. And then it basically came back above, gave us a retest of the previous Bobby. And then we got a bear close back in, giving us another leg grab and a Bobby. And then we have our previous day close, as we can see, day close. And then we have a 4-hour gravestone bear close within this active daily candle. As you can see here, we had about 4 hours left in this daily candle. So let's go to the actual chart so we can see what was being done at that 4-hour. That 4-hour here, as you can see. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit closer. We can see that we had that 4-hour gravestone doji that I was talking about here, right? And then, so I'll show you where. So here we have the 4-hour gravestone doji here, and then we got it on our momentum candle here, right? So that was good. Then we were pretty much in we were in profit, and then we were in a small little range right there, right? We did basically, as you can see, as we can see here, after the range, we did go ahead and come back up, and then we sold back off. Luckily, we were able to go ahead and didn't get taken out here. We were able to still stay in, and then we've been pretty much in downward momentum ever since. So at the moment, we're almost about to hit our first take profit. So if we get our first take profit, amazing. And then we'll just kind of see exactly what happens. And for the next week forward, besides that trade, I also did go ahead and take this NZD trade here. We did go ahead and stack a couple positions, but we'll go ahead and break down the first position here that we took and how we actually been taking some profit along the way. So let's go ahead and exit out of these, and then let's start here. So as you can see, we were on a small little losing streak here, and then here, boom. This is where we were at. 650. So we can see that we basically went above our resistance. We had a 1 hour sell, 2 candle pattern here that came back, and we've been basically ranging. And we've been holding this resistance here. We came back down with some heavy news, and then we came all the way back up. So I was looking to basically see if we can go ahead. We had a 1 hour sell, 2 candle pattern here, and then we had a 4 hour sell, 2 candle pattern here. Wow, sorry about that. And then the form of resistance. So I was just waiting to see, as you can see, waiting to see if we can get a bobby, get some 2 wicks, and get some bearish momentum in our favor. Let's go ahead and open our entry time frame. I wasn't here to log it when we got in, but as you can see, we did go ahead and get that bearish pressure. This was an Asian session. I don't trade Asian session for most of the time, and then which was pretty good because we would have gotten taken out. So we did come back all the way back up, got another sell 2 candle pattern here within the 1 hour, and then we had a really nice bearish close on 7 a.m. candle. That's New York. I definitely trade that, no issues there. And then as we can see, we got the close, and then I was just waiting for us to get back above. We did go ahead and get above. I set my sell stop. We got triggered in at 9, and then we pretty much went straight to take profit, which was amazing. I go for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. I always risk 8 pips, and my take profit is 24 pips. So we go for it, Kobe, every time. I did go ahead and enter a couple positions here on this one, and all we have been doing is basically trailing them the entire way. We did get a severe pullback during the USD interest rate decision that almost tapped us out of these positions, but luckily we weren't tapped out. We were still in it. Did go ahead and drop down, hit another take profit for another 49 pips there, and then we hit another take profit on another position, 75 pips lower. You know, after the move, we did get some small little retracement here, but yeah, we still hit our third take profit, giving us a total within this move about 140 something pips. And we're waiting to see if we can go ahead and hit our final TP within that there. I did see this play here. As I said, we saw the 1 hour sell 2 candle pattern happen. When we had our third take profit, we did go ahead and get some kind of like some downward sideways moving action. It did come back, filling the imbalance, and I was just, as you can see, imbalance was filled, waiting for our two wicks and our bear close. On Friday, we did go ahead and enter in sorry about that. Wrong chart. Here it is. On Friday, we did at 7:30 a.m. We did go ahead and enter in a stackable position here. As we can see, we got some more price action, another sell 2 candle pattern, retested, another drop, and then we got another sell 2 candle pattern here to drop below, and then we did go ahead and get in on that next candle. We are just waiting to see if we can hit take profit on the rest of these trades, and then we'll see exactly what we have here for the rest of this week. I think I might go ahead and look into GBP USD. I don't have anything marked up. I know it is 2 o'clock, so market just opened up, but we'll go ahead and look to see exactly what happens after. But yeah, Appreciate everybody tuning in for this video, and we'll go ahead and catch you on the next one.